Looking for an AI text-to-speech tool that can generate realistic and natural-sounding voiceovers? Then this video is for you. Today, we're exploring TTS Free AI, a feature-packed text-to-speech platform that lets you create high-quality AI voices with multiple voice models, multi-speaker conversations, and much more. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to set up TTS Free AI. Now, let's get started. First, visit the TTS Free AI website. Once you're there, click Start your 14-day free trial. Then, select Download for Windows. After the download is complete, open the installer and follow the installation process. Once the installation finishes, launch the software. You'll be greeted with a clean and modern interface. There offers two AI voice models, QuentiTS 0.6 billion, QuentiTS 1.7 billion. For this tutorial, I'll choose the QuentiTS 1.7 billion model. For the source, I recommend selecting Hugging Face as it provides the best performance and reliability. After selecting it, click Download. Don't worry, you only need to download the model once. After the download is complete, you'll enter the main TTS workspace. In the center, you'll find the project area along with your recent projects. On the left side, you'll see the navigation panel containing projects, tasks, library, design, and cloning. At the bottom left, you'll also find the model and settings sections. The model section lets you switch between different AI models whenever needed. Inside settings, you can update the application, and under general, you can customize the overall interface size and other preferences. Now, let's create our first project. Go to Projects. After clicking it, you'll see two sample options on the left side. Let's begin with the normal sample. After opening it, you'll notice a sample text already available. On the right side, you'll find the voice selection panel where you can easily switch between different voices. If you want to change the available voices, select System. Here you'll find a complete library of voices, including male, female, and even child voices. Each voice also displays useful information, such as its country and accent. For example, Aiden uses a Canadian English accent. Currently, the software supports 9 different languages, giving you plenty of flexibility for multilingual projects. You'll also find additional voice controls, where you can adjust the speed, pitch, and volume to perfectly match your project. You can also add multiple paragraphs and type any text you want. Once your script is ready, click Generate, and the AI will instantly convert your text into speech.
Anything you want.
If you're not satisfied with the generated voice, simply return to System, choose another voice, and click Generate again. The software will regenerate your audio using the newly selected voice.
The city was waking up around her, slowly at first, then all at once. Buses rumbled past, bicycles weaved through traffic, and somewhere in the distance, a dog barked.
Now, let's look at the script sample option. Open it and play the sample to hear how multi-speaker conversations work. One of the best features is that the dialogue is automatically organized into a conversation format, making it perfect for podcasts, interviews, and multi-character scripts. Moving on to the tasks section. Here, you'll see all the tasks you've created within your projects, making it easy to manage and revisit previous work. Next, let's explore the library. Inside the library, you'll find several categories, including projects, voice design, system, and frequent use. The system section contains a complete collection of built-in voices, along with detailed information about each one. Now, let's take a look at voice design. This feature allows you to create customized voices using prompts. Choose a sample for testing and click Brighten and More Lively. You can also choose from 9 different languages. Next, choose the voice you'd like to customize. Personally, my favorite is Aiden because it delivers one of the most natural and realistic results. Finally, click Generate. After the processing is complete, the AI will provide 3 different voice variations, each with its own unique speaking style.
Hi there! Welcome to our text-to-speech service. I'll be your voice today, reading your words in a clear and natural way. Go ahead. Hi there! Welcome to our text-to-speech service. I'll be your voice today, reading your words in a clear and natural way. Go ahead. Hi there! Welcome to our text-to-speech service. I'll be your voice today, reading your words in a clear and natural way. Go ahead. Type anything you'd like me to say.
That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.